Is life really too short for QRP? These two beacons here, one is coming from me in VK3, the other's coming from VK2, and I'm monitoring in VK5. This is 500 milliwatts, and this one has 75 times more power, 70 times more power. It is running 35 watts. 70 times the power. I'm hitting nearly an S5 there, as you can see, and let's see, I'll jump over to this one. So a good S7, I'd say. I'll jump back down to 1/70th, and we're close to an S5. Okay, 500 milliwatt, 35 watt. So it's the power difference isn't twice or even 10 times, not even 35 times. 70 times more power. Is life really too short for QRP?